Hi everyone, this is the classmate. My name is Tania Mesa Rodriguez. Today I want to talk about the parents. Let's start. I want to tell you something very sad that happened to me a while ago. I remember it more or less fine she had a boyfriend whom she loved a lot in the time. He was a person very nice to me, thoughtful, everything was perfect. One serving any one to boyfriend, he comes to my house like all the time. But this time the Browns in these hands a cold gift for me. I was very happy and you don't hang them in a tears. In this moment, dance to my house a ex-boyfriend. My ex came to my house because he was one of the best friends of my brother. My ex greets my me brings me in front of my boyfriend looking at me all angry. In those races, my breast entered me Tanya, taking to the neighbor this watermelon, take the watermelon to the neighboring, and had the time in return to the house, and my boyfriend was not. I scared my mama. Mommy, where is John? She has with me. Went to the neighbor park. I went out looking for him and coming to the park. I did hear some gunshots, see people running. When I went to see was what was going on, it was my boyfriend. One heart beat, kidding and the first time me a word I felt in the tears. I could not believe that this really happened. I tell you this because in summertime, that I'm ready and for me I want something very sad. This is all. Thank you very much.